Hi, and welcome back to the data science course. Continuing with the introduction lecture. Before we end this lecture, what we'd like to do is discuss some guidelines and expectations from the students. And these are important. So we've already mentioned that as part one of this course, which is machine learning and data analytics, we'll cover all the main principles and tools that are required for learning the basics of data science. So you learn programming using Python, data analytics using pandas, all the basic math, statistics, and probability that are required for building the machine learning models. We'll also cover the entire data science process from problem definition to sourcing to wrangling, and then finally selecting the algorithm and building them using machine learning tools. Finally, you'll learn how to visualize, evaluate, and deploy the models. We'll also cover an end-to-end project as part of this course, and that will show you how to apply all your learnings. Now, Python code examples for each algorithm type that we'll teach in this course will be given. We'll show you how to build them and how to deploy them with good examples. So these are all the basic guidelines. We've explained quite a bit of it in the introduction too. I'm just trying to refresh that. And along with that, we have certain expectations from the students. So you need to know that this is a technical course. You need to know some amount of programming, some databases, and some level of mathematics at school level. uh, Probability, algebra. You need these basics. If you don't have them at all, I would suggest you go online and learn all these skills. They're not very difficult to learn. There's a lot of courses available online. We've given pointers to them in our courses too. What we've done as part of our course is cover the basics for these concepts which are necessary to build the machine learning models and to execute a data science project. We haven't gone into the complete depths because they are complete courses and fields by themselves. So our expectation is you should have some basic knowledge of any programming language, be it Python, be it Java, be it JavaScript, because they teach you all the basics. If you know that, you can learn any programming language. So if you know the basic programming concepts like data types or variables or conditional loops or functions or classes, you'll easily learn Python and build models. Or if you already know how to do some basic SQL queries like select from where, you can then learn some more advanced operations and do your data sourcing and analytics or replicate that using pandas. So we have covered Python in reasonable detail in this course. Similarly, pandas, similarly statistics and probability. So they will give you all the basic foundation, but they are not a replacement for your own basics in these different skills. We've given a link to huge collection of online resources, books, blogs, tutorials, videos. They're available on our Data Wisdom X website. I mean, you can learn as much as you like. So you have to be careful what you choose to learn. We've also given Python code and data for each example in this course. And in the GitHub location, we've put all these codes and data under different file folders. Now, this is part one of the course. The parts 2, 3, and 4, which we mentioned in the introduction, which cover things like deep learning, NLP, reinforcement learning, computer vision, data engineering, will be published later as separate courses, and we will inform you about the same. So with that, we'll end this guidelines and expectation lecture and the entire introduction lecture series. So hopefully you got some idea of what this course is and what our entire suite of courses will be. And it has piqued your interest in wanting to use this course to learn how to become a data scientist and recommend it to your friends. Thank you.